Hello students, today we will start exercise 6.1 of your chapter number 6 linear inequalities. So the first question is solve 24x less than 100 when the first part is x is a natural number and in the second x is an integer. So what are natural numbers? The numbers starting from 1 and the integers which are lying on a number line. So first the question inequalities is 24x less than 100. So check here, the coefficient of x is 24. So you have to dividing by 24 on both sides. So see 24 then on both sides divide. Now this 24 cancel. So what is left here? X less than 100 over 24. So it is divisible on 4, 6, 25 by 6. So its approximate value is how much? Approximate value is 4.1 something. 4.1 something. Now we have to check that in the first part they ask x is a natural number. So the number which is less than 4.1 natural number. So kede 4.1 to lesser. So numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 over? No. Because here x is less than 4.1. 4.1 to lesser. So GD value 4.1 to less होगी. It lies on left hand side, not right hand side. So there are only 4 solutions for the natural number. The second part is x is in integers. So integers केड़े होंगी? GD 4.1 to lesser. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 also. Because 0 is also integer. Minus 1 dash. So there are minus infinity to 4 integers which satisfy this given linear inequalities. Alright, so this is your first question. Next question number second, solve minus 12x greater than 30 when x is a natural number and the second part x is an integer. So there are two conditions. So in the first condition we have to find the natural numbers and the second integers. So the inequality says given minus 12x greater than 30. So first step we have to check the coefficient of x here. So coefficient of x is here what? Coefficient of x is minus 12. So we have to divide both sides with the minus 12. When you divide it with minus 12, then this greater than sign become changed. It becomes less than. ठीक है? अगर तुसी याद रखो कि कोफिशिएंट के विच नेगेटिव साइन है और तुसी नेगेटिव साइन को राइट साइड पे डिवाइड कर रहे हो तो फिर थोड़ा आ वाला साइन चेंज हो दिस वन. ठीक है? -12 cancel x less than 30 by 12. So it is approximate 6 5 30 6 2 12 minus 5 over 2 and approximate value is minus 2.5. 6 5 are 30 and 6 2 are 12. It is approximate minus 2.5. So in the first condition we have to find this solution of natural numbers. So you check here x less than minus 2.5. X the value minus 2.5 to smallest. So है जो कोई natural number possible है जो minus 2.5 to less होगा smallest होगा? No, there is no solution. So there is no solution for the natural number. ठीक है? क्योंकि minus 2.5 तो जितने भी smallest value होंगे they are all negative. Now second is x is an integers. So integers possible है? Yes. केड़े which one? Minus 2.5 to less value केड़ी हो? minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, so on dash. So x is equal to dash minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 over? No, because minus 2 is greater than this minus 2.5, but we have to take only the smallest value. So this is your question number second. Next third question, solve 5x minus 3 less than 7 when the first condition is x is an integer and the second condition is x is a real number. So what are real numbers? Real number is the union of rational and irrational numbers. So first you have to write the inequality 5x minus 3 less than 7. So you have to check here, there is only variable on the left hand side of this inequality and you have to eliminate the constant from left hand side. तो सिर्फ first step क्या करोगे, left hand side तो constant को eliminate करोगे. So check करो कि जेड़ा sign है -3 दा. So क्या करोगे, you have to add in 3 on both hand side. So what will you get? Plus 3 and plus 3. You have to plus add 3 on both hand side. Now this -3 plus 3 cancel. 5x less than 7 plus 3. How much? It is 10. Now the next step is you have to check the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is here 5. So you have to dividing both sides by 5. Now this 5 cancel. What is x here? X is less than 5 k is 10. 2 is 10. So x is less than 2. Now x is an integer. So integers so kede kede होंगे जेड़ा 2 तो less नहीं. 1 0 -1 -2 so on dash dash dash. So the solution of the set is dash 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 -2 -1 0 1. So these are the solution set for the given integers. Next, x is a real number. So the solution set for x is belongs to -infinity to 2. So you can put here open brackets. Open brackets. ओपन ब्रैकेट्स का मतलब कि जेडी दोनों इंटरवल्स गिवन नहीं वो नहीं होंगे उसके अंदर में होंगे बिटवीन. सो दिस इज द सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर एंड दिस इज द इंटीजर्स. सो दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. सॉल्व 3x plus 8 greater than 2 when the condition is x is an integer and the x is a real number. So write this inequality 3x plus 8 greater than 2. So पहला स्टेप किया तो सी लेफ्ट साइड को कांस्टेंट को एलिमिनेट करोगे. द कांस्टेंट इज हियर 8 एंड द साइन इज हियर प्लस 8. सो यू हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट 8 ऑन बोथ हैंड साइड. जो भी साइन तुम्हें कांस्टेंट ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਗਿਵਨ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਦਾ ਆਪੋਜ਼ਿਟ ਸਾਈਨ ਲਓਗੇ. ਅਗਰ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਦਾ ਸਾਈਨ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਡ ਕਰੋਗੇ, ਅਗਰ ਪਲੱਸ ਦਾ ਸਾਈਨ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਬਟ੍ਰੈਕਟ ਕਰੋਗੇ. ਸੋ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ 3x plus 8 minus 8 minus 8. All right, you have to subtract 8 on both hand side. Now this plus 8 minus 8 cancel. 3x greater than 2 minus 8. It is minus 6. Now the coefficient of x is here what? 3. So you can divide in both sides with 3. So see दोनों side 3 ਨਾਲ divide करो. Now this 3 cancel. X greater than minus 3. So 3 कितने का 6? 2 का 6. So it is minus 2. So check करो कि x की वैल्यू इंटीजर्स केड़े-केड़े पॉसिबल्स ने जिदे विच x -2 तो ग्रेटर है. So in case of greater we have to go on right hand side. So the solution set is -1 0 1 2 3 dash dash dash. Because असे right hand side पे जाओगे तो -2 तो ग्रेटर इंटीजर्स केड़ा होगा -1 then 0 1 2 3 up to so on. Next, x is a real number. So the solution set for this inequality is x belongs to -2 to infinity and this intervals lies in open brackets. All right, ठीक है, क्योंकि -2 ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਰਾਈਟ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਰਾਈਟ ਸਾਈਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਾਸਟ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਹੋਊਗੀ infinity. So you can write here -2 to infinity. ठीक है, and you can put here open interval brackets. Next, fifth question. Solve the given inequality for real x. The inequality is given 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. So first step is you have to eliminate these variable from right hand side. पहला step की तुसी check करोगे कि right hand side ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ variable है कि नहीं. अगर variable होगा तो तुसी ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ eliminate करोगे. So check here the variable is 5x. So you have to subtract 5x on both hand side. So what we will get 4x plus 3 minus 5x less than 5x plus 7 minus 5x. So 5x from both sides subtract करोगे. So we will get 4x minus 5x is minus x plus 3 less than 5x and 5x cancel. So there is only 7. Now the second step is you have to eliminate the constant from left hand side. Second step ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ constant ਜਿਹੜਾ left hand side ਤੇ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ eliminate ਕਰੋ. So the constant is 3 and the sign is a plus. So you have to subtract 3 from both hand side. Minus 3 minus 3. Now this cancel. Minus x less than 7 minus 3 how much? 4. Now you have to check here the coefficient of x is here -1. Here is negative sign. You can take this negative sign on right hand side. Then this sign become change. The data less than the sign है कि होगा greater than. So you can check here x is greater than -4. Now we have to find the solution for given inequality for real x. So the solution set for the inequality is -4 to infinity. Because here x is greater than -4. The greater case ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਸੇ right hand side ਤੇ ਜਾਓ. ਤੇ -4 ਤੋਂ greater value up to infinity exist ਕਰੋ. Clear? So this is your question number 5. Next question number 6. Solve the given inequality for real x. The inequality is 3x minus 7 greater than 5x minus 1. So the first step is eliminate this variable from right hand side. So the variable is here 5x. So we have to subtract 5x on both hand side. 3x minus 7 minus 5x. 5x minus 1 minus 5x. 5x and cancel. 3x minus 5x it is minus 2x. Minus 7 greater than 1 minus 1. Now next, eliminate this constant from left hand side. Here sign is negative, so you have to add 7 on both hand side. This minus 7 plus 7 cancel. So what is left here? Minus 2x greater than minus 1 plus 7 is 6. Now the next is coefficient of x is at minus 2. So we have to dividing both sides by minus 2. जब तुसी negative sign डाल लोगे, तो ये वाला sign change होगा. This one greater than sign changes to less than. Now minus 2 cancel. X less than minus 6 over minus 2 it is minus 3. Now x is less than minus 3. So what are the real numbers? The solution set for the given inequality is x belongs to what? Less than. So less case the which left hand side पे minus infinity to minus 3. So this is the given solution for the set of this inequality. Next question number 7 is again same. Solve the given inequality for real x. The condition is here given 3 by multiply x minus 1 less than or equal to 2 into x minus 3. So students check करोगे तो equal to the sign भी आ गया. मतलब वो वैल्यू होती equal भी होगी उस तो less भी होगी. So पहले से ब्रैकेट्स ओपन करोगे 3 into x 3x minus 3 comma 3 less than equal to 2 into x 2x minus 2 3 is 6. Now the next is check the variables on right hand side. It is 2x. So you have to subtract what? 2x on both hand side. This 2x cancel and 3x minus 2x x. So what is left is x minus 3 less than or equal to minus 6. Now next we have to eliminate this constant from left hand side. So here constant term is minus 3. We have to plus 3 both hand side. So see दोनों side add 3 ना करो. Now this minus 3 plus 3 cancel. X less than or equal to minus 6 plus 3. It is what? Minus 3. So x की value क्या होगी? Minus 3 the equal होगी या उसको less होगी. So what are the solution for the given set of inequality? X belongs to minus infinity to minus 3. We have to put here closed interval. तो सिर्फ closed interval लिखोगे क्योंकि closed interval ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ values given हो तो मतलब x की value होती equal भी है या होती between भी like है. Alright, so you have to put here closed interval and in this question there is only less than minus 3. So to see open interval put करोगे open brackets because open brackets का मतलब कि वो value नहीं है कि वो between lie करनी है. ठीक है? So this is your question number 6 and 7. Next question number 8 is again same. The inequality is given. We have to find the inequality for real x. We have to find the solution. 3 into 2, 6 minus 3 into x, 3x greater than or equal to 2 1 2, 2 into x, 2x. Eliminate this 2x, 6 minus 3x minus 2x. So students here their sign is negative, so you have to add in 2x on both hand sides. So you have to put here plus sign. Greater than minus 2x plus 2. Minus 2x plus 2x cancel. 6 minus 2x minus 3x plus 2x. It is minus x. Greater than or equal to 2. Now eliminate this constant. Here sign is plus. You have to subtract 6 on both hand side. 6 minus x minus 6 greater than or equal to 2 minus 6. Now this 6 cancel. minus x greater than or equal to 2 minus x minus 4. Now you can take this negative on right hand side. Now this sign become change. मैं पहले तो से क्योंकि तो इस नेगेटिव साइन को राइट हैंड साइड पे लेके जाऊंगी तो ये चेंज हो गया तो देन इट बिकम्स लेस देन और इक्वल टू माइनस ऑफ माइनस 4 बिकॉज ये तो देखो माइनस 4 तो ऑलरेडी है ही अगर दूसरे इस नेगेटिव साइन राइट हैंड साइड पे लेके जाऊंगी तो यहाँ वाला साइन चेंज होगा लेस देन और इक्वल टू नाउ दिस माइनस माइनस प्लस सो व्हाट इज x x इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू 4 सो x की वैल्यू 4 है या 4 तो लेसर सो व्हाट आर द सॉल्यूशन सेट ऑफ द इनइक्वालिटी इट इज x बिलोंग्स टू minus infinity to 4. So which interval is lies in close interval because here sign is equal to also. ठीक है अगर equal to the sign ना होगा तो उसी close brackets put करोगे. Alright, now next ninth question. So you check here. Here three variables on left hand sides x plus x by 2 plus x by 3. Total three terms थे left hand side के बीच. ठीक है वेरिएबल्स बट सेम ही है वेरिएबल्स इज x सो यू कैन टेक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट एलसीएम ऑफ 1 2 and 3 the LCM is what LCM is 6 now 1 कितने का 6 6 का 6 into x 6x 2 कितने का 6 3 का 2 into x 3x 3 कितने का 6 2 का 2 into x 2x less than 11 now 6x plus 3x plus 2x how much 6 plus 3 9 9 plus 2 11x 11x over 6 less than 11. Now you have to eliminate this 6. So check करो कि जेड़ा 6 और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ डिवाइड दिस टर्म ਚ मतलब डिनोमिनेटर ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ so you have to multiply 6 on both hand side ठीक है ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ डिनोमिनेटर ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀ ਨੰਬਰ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਉਹ ਐਲੀਮੀਨੇਟ ਕਰੋਗੇ so you can multiply both sides with 6 next 6 6 cancel so what is left 11x less than 11 6 is 66. Now we check here coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 11. Dividing both sides by 11. This 11 cancel. X less than 11. Kill 66. 6. So x is here less than 6. So what are the solution set for inequality? X belongs to minus infinity to 6. Which brackets? Open brackets. Alright. So this is your question number 8 and 9. Next, see question number 10. So the inequality is given x by 3 greater than x by 2 plus 1. So you have to take LCM on right hand side first. X over 3 greater than LCM is 2. So here comes x plus 2. Now you can check here denominator on left hand side is 3 and the denominator on right hand side is 2. So you have to take the LCM of 3 and 2. So LCM is 6. So next step is you can multiply 6 on both hand side. ठीक है ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਕਿ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਸਾਈਡ ਦੇ ਡਿਨੋਮੀਨੇਟਰਸ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਨੇ फिर तुसी दोनों डिनोमिनेटर्स का एलसीएम लेके उसे नंबर को बोथ साइड मल्टीप्लाई करोगे सो यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई विद 6 ऑन बोथ हैंड साइड नाउ दिस 3 1 is 3 3 2 is 6 2 1 is 2 2 3 is 6 now multiply with this 2 with x 2 into x 2x greater than 3 into x 3x plus 3 2 is 6 now eliminate this variable from right hand side so the variable is 3x you can subtract 3x on both hand side 3x cancel 2x minus 3x minus 6 greater than what 6 now take this negative sign on right hand side so this sign will change it is x less than minus 6 so the solution for the given set of inequality is x belongs to what x belongs to minus infinity to minus 6 which brackets open brackets clear क्योंकि x की वैल्यू minus 6 तो लेस है so less ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ left hand side पे जाओ next see question number 11 solve the inequality for real x so inequality is given again here so you can check here denominator on left hand side is what 5 and the denominator on right hand side is 3 so you can take the LCM of 5 and 3 LCM is 15 now you can multiply both sides with 15 multiply 15 clear now this 5 1 is 5 5 3 is 15 3 1 is 3 3 5 is 15 now open the brackets 3 3 is 9 9 into x 9x minus 3 is 9 9 is 18 less than equal to 5 5 is 25 25 is 50 25 into x 25x now eliminate the variables from right hand side So here sign is negative, so you have to adding 25x on both hand side. Plus 25x plus 25x. This minus 25x plus 25x cancel. Here term is 9x plus 25x. 9 plus 25, 34x minus 18 less than equal to 50. Now eliminate this constant from left hand side. So constant is here 18 and the sign is negative, so you have to adding again 18 on both hand side. Minus 18 plus 18 cancel. 34x less than equal to 68. Now the coefficient of x on left hand side is 34. So dividing by 34 on both hand side. So x is less than or equal to 2. So the solution for the given set of inequality is what? X belongs to minus infinity to close here. ठीक है, क्योंकि x की वैल्यू 2 से इक्वल या 2 तो लेस होगी. So इंटरवल क्या होगा? minus infinity to 2. Here which bracket is from? Close bracket. Alright, so this is your question number 10 and 11. So students, this is your question number 12 and 13. So you have to check your answer. So in the 12th question, the solution set for inequality is x belongs to minus infinity to 120 and here interval is closed. And in the 13th question, here x is greater than 4. So the solution set for inequality is x belongs to 4 to infinity. So students, इस वीडियो को पॉज करके अपने आंसर्स टैली कर लो, ठीक है? So this is your question number 12 and question number 13. Next student, question number 14 and this is your question number 15. So again, you have to check your answer. So in this question, x belongs to minus infinity to 2. Here bracket is which one? Close bracket. And the 15th question, here x is greater than 4. So intervals from 4 to infinity and the brackets are open brackets. So check your answer 14 and 15. So student, next this is question number 16. So again tell you answer. Here x is less than or equal to 2 and the solution set for inequality is x belongs to minus infinity to 2. And here which brackets come? Closed brackets. The next 17th question is show the inequality and show the graph of the solution on the number line. So in this example पहला कर चुके हैं. So the inequality is 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1. So after solving this, the x is less than 3. X की value 3 तो क्या होगी? Less होगी. So when you show it on number line, you mark some points and the x की value 3 तो less है. तो less के बीच तुसी बिल्कुल slightly point पीछे plot करोगे here and shading this number line on left hand side. तो तुसी left hand side which number line में shade कर. So this is your question number 16 and question number 17. Next student, this is your question number 18 and this is 19. So in the both question you have to draw a number line and represent this given solution. So in the 18th question the solution is x is greater than or equal to minus 1, greater than or equal to. इसका मतलब क्या है कि जो x की value minus 1 से equal थी और उसको greater थी. So you have to mark the point on minus 1. तो सी minus 1 के ऊपर एक point को mark करके right side पे shade करोगे because greater है x में. So greater case के लिए उसी right hand side पे shade करोगे. ठीक है? In the 19th question, here x is greater than minus 1 only, not equal to. So इस केस के लिए तुसी minus 1 तो बिल्कुल slightly एक point right side पे लोगे. After that you can shade the number line. ठीक है? So 18th question में x is greater than or equal to minus 1 and the 19th question x is greater than minus 1 only.